I find it quite sad that humans have become so disconnected and have stopped listening to the earth and to the animals. So much so that a species as brilliant and beautiful and important as the southern resident killer whales sits on the verge of extinction and has to depend on the mercy and voices of a few for their survival. But we will overcome. Our numbers are growing, and we know how to be loud. We're going to be loud today, people. Yeah. So today, let's wake up our sleeping policy makers, and let's rebuke the Orca Task Force recommendations. Let's tear down some dams and return Mother Nature back to her natural state with free-flowing veins full of salmon swimming into the ocean, and our beloved southern resident killer whales getting the Chinook they so desperately need and have every right to. For they were here before us. I'm fucking sorry, guys. So now I'm going to read recommendation 74. We, the people, by and behalf of the southern resident orcas, the real beings and parties in interest, insist that Governor Inslee call Lieutenant General Semonite of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and demand that he order the immediate breach of the lower Snake River dams. This is so the southern resident orcas may enjoy their right to life, including their natural occurring food source, Chinook, from the Snake River watershed. Yeah, absolutely. That was worth it.
Leads the procession because the rest of the pod is in mourning. We borrow the salmon from them. By natural law, they're greater than we. We must preserve their food. Remember to have a moment of silence for the babies that are being lost. Remember Togatai, prisoner of war. Bring Togatai home. Just want to give a quick holler that she gave me. Oh! 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 Oh!
Wake up.
Mike.
Blackberry. Cappuccino.
Rain Shadow, Leah, Cookie,
Windsong.
Kasatka, Kusto, Settles, Mystery,
Midnight.
Jade, Callie, Muncher, Lapis,
comet.
Nissa.
Ripple.
Onyx.
Surprise.
Wave walker.
Kelp.
Mystic.
Moonlight.
Opus.
Calypso.
Echo. Slick.
Puka.
Ocean sun. Marina.
Spock.
Nugget.
Fluke.
Joy.
Keto.
Saturna. Oreo.
Lazuli.
Princess Angeline. Haishka. Tika. Star. Eno. Belina. Deadhead.
Elam Incus.
Coho.
Magic.
Matea.
Dakota.
Sonata.
Sea
Kiki. Finn.
Notch.
Squib.
Moby. Spirit. Shachi.
Scoter.
Solstice.
Lobo.
Mako. Eclipse. Racer. Suchi.
Yoda.
Nova. Alki.
CQ.
Beautiful, aren't they? Worth saving.